Hello, my name is Gabrielle, and I'm going to be playing Winter Wind for you on the piano. Hope you enjoy.